Have this stupid satellite dish that we do not use. We have not used it since we moved in. I've even bricked my entrance path around it, and I don't know why. We had never taken it down. We ought to take it down. I mean, we just don't even notice it because it's been here since we moved in, but yet we don't even have use of a dish. I thought maybe we should just take it off the pole and put a light pole or something there. But it's funny that we've never taken it down. So I bought something. A solar-powered lantern. So I'm going to put that on the pole. It comes with a spare bulb, and you have the option that it could fit on a 4x4 post, but I wanted to put it on pole. When we first moved in here, there was a satellite dish on a pole right on the corner of the house, and we just kind of ignored it. You know, it's always there. We walk by it, and there's this thing, you know, we just don't even hardly notice it because it's always there. You know, you just, one day I just said, you know, why have we not taken that satellite dish down? I mean, it's stupid to keep it. It's never been connected since we've lived in this house, and we've been here for 14 years, so it seems silly. I kept telling my husband, honey, you need to take down that satellite dish. I actually put it on a to-do list for him. Every once in a while I give him a to-do list, but he never got around to it. And I got tired of looking at it, so I went and got some tools. I couldn't get the bolts loose, so I got some WD-40, and that helped, and I was able to take the bolts off, and I removed that satellite dish. So now I'm stuck with this stupid pole on the corner of my house, and I'm like, well, what do I do with it? Cemented in the ground. I cut the cable. There's about 2 inches of it sticking up out of the ground. I even cemented my brick pathway around it, and it's, you know, standing up there nice and good. It's got to be something I can do with that pole. I put a jar on top of it so that it wouldn't get rain coming from the gutter falling down into it. But I need to do something with it. Well, I finally came up with an idea. There's cobwebs in here. There.
Good job. Again.
Now we have a solar powered lantern in the front of our house. It's a smart looking lantern. Now just let the sun power it up and it will light by itself. Job done. I had to get shorter screws because the ones that came with it were far too long to fit into. Came with 4 screws, but I only needed 3. But I was able to find some in my shop. Now it doesn't look like just a useless pole standing there. It actually serves a function. A night light, a solar powered lantern on a pole. And I got some new yard lights to line my path, and I think they look really pretty. They are also solar powered, and I think they kind of go pretty well with my new lantern. So my entrance to my house can be lit up at nighttime, and I'll have to show you what that looks like. I think it's a smart looking lantern. Has glass in it, and I made a good use of the pole. Since the pole was already cemented in, why not use it? We have a motion sensor light here, so when that light comes on, the lamp goes out. So my entrance to my house can be lit up at nighttime. When the sensor light goes off, the lamp comes on, powered by the sun. Won't add to our electric bill. I like it. So now we have a lit walk path. And see what happens when it turns off because the sensor light comes on. So we'll always have light on our path